Like in a minute, we gotta get something to eat, bro. I gotta feed the fucking tequila. They all my, oh, it's a China walk across the street. I know what I'm getting. I know what I'm getting, man.
It's the I just need a bitch. Just up a little.
I don't want a bitch unless she chasing riches. I don't want a bitch unless she taking risks. I don't want a bitch unless she mind her business. I don't want a bitch unless she from the trenches. I don't want a bitch unless she chasing riches. I don't want a bitch unless she taking risks. I don't want a bitch unless she from the kitchen. I don't want a bitch unless she got a vision. Every bitch want a baller, James Harden. Gold digger, but I call her not a partner. That shit is dick. Gotta keep it real with it, you know what I'm saying?
You gotta know look at the grown man with.
Hey.
Now I see that, yeah.
Alright, so yeah,
I
want
like
that
one. Oh, look.
I can't put this on repeat, so if you got it on your phones, I just got this phone today.
I ain't gonna lie. I can just go in there and give you what you need for it.
For real?
I ain't gonna lie.
Alright. I don't want a bitch unless she from the kitchen. I don't want a bitch unless she got a vision.
Yeah.
Every bitch want a baller, James Harden. Gold digger, what I call her, not a partner. That shit is dead, suicide, meet the coroner. I got no time to lie, don't need no alibi. Cause if I'm doing me, that means you doing you. Lack of affection is proof, I see you living, boo. That's not a cheer, nor. Like I named this joint, Lust for Dimes. I mean, like, it's talking about like the trials and tribulations through your life, you know, and especially we in a position where we gotta chase money. You feel what I'm saying? We're not in a position that money chase us like that. So, look, it go like this. Stressing about that this come up. Life ain't bad, but no good luck. Can't figure out which way to go, but know I gotta make it home. Feeling low, but always high. Grass that green on the other side. Might not win, but always try. Chasing money, lust for dimes. Stressing about that this come up. Life ain't bad, but no good luck. Can't figure out which way to go, but know I gotta make it home. Feeling low, but always high. Grass that green on the other side. Might not win, but always try. Chasing money. The bank was my last destination. Lost my soul, I find it later. Don't follow trends or the latest. Psychedelic, stuck in matrix. Cheap liquor, feeling amazing. Toast up, I'm glad that I made it. Deuces to handouts and favors. Major fetish, counting paper. Listen up when they talk to you. It's a shame how a man only love for his money. Dodge the rain, feed up when it's sunny. Numb to the pain, new girl, counting hundreds. Charge to the game, only get it what I want it. Yeah, but you get the gist of it though. That's how it is. Like I feel like men in a whole, we so busy focusing on the money because we not accepted. You feel what I'm saying? Like, and I think that's kind of fucked up. That we as men.
That was hard.
Nigga, we in a whole interview, you fucking war.
I didn't know, but that was really hard.
Look, man, if you can order that pizza online or whatever,
What you want to get?
man, order food, yo. Get a fucking extra large meat lovers, man. Pause. I love fucking meat, man. Damn, I said that again.
That's a definite
So you put up 20 and I put up 20. That means we can get a pizza and wings.
What you want, wings too?
Might as well. Cause that's $40.
Yeah.
Might as well get pizza and wings. I don't care. As long as they ain't dumb hot. I'm trying to fucking breathe.
That's me, definitely.
What, hot?
Hot, yeah.
Go ahead, yo. Give me extra fuck. I mean, all the ranch are mine.
No, that's cool. I'm gonna get that Hawaiian too.
Alright, bet. Hear it. I want him to get a feel of my voice, my levels and shit like that. Nah, less. I want him to get everything. So let's go ahead and spend the 10 minutes on, 20 minutes on this real quick. Then he gonna come in, drop his shit.
Yeah, 2 hands.
Something is unplugged because.
No, it's all good. That's the light.
I want that.
No, I'm about to plug it back up. Step up.
I don't want a bitch unless she, yeah. I don't want a bitch unless she, you know.
Yep.
I don't want a bitch unless she, yeah. I don't want a bitch unless she, fuck. Yeah. Alright, let's go.
You know?
I want that light, yo, because that light motivates me, bro. I swear it is.
I mean, you know, it's been my first day here, you know.
I ain't sure as hell ain't your third. Yo, I can't wait to eat a slice of pizza. Look, when I come in, when I'm about to do the I'm gonna record. Actually, because them levels is good, bro. Them levels hard as a bitch. Let me hear it. Let me hear it one time. You know what I'm saying? Like it's certain qualifications you gotta do. Fuck with me. Come on. Keep that. Keep that until I change it. I'm ready to hop into the hook. Look, cause the only thing that I'm missing in the beginning, besides stacking the ad-libs and all that shit, is and doing the ins and outs is the yeah. That's it. Alright, so you want me to stack the whole Jimmy man, right? Alright, let's get it. Starting from the middle of the hook.
That's cool. I'll give you runway. I'm okay with that. That's actually how I record. But I record so many people that some people actually like to record right here. Look. Like they like to come in right there, like that. I hate that shit. I hate it. No, me personally, I hate it. Some people like, yo, they be wanting to come in right there. I need a runway. I need like space.
Catch that groove and shit.
Yeah. So that's how I record anyway. But let's get it.
You hear me? You know what I'm saying? You hear me? You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I like time. Let me get into it.
I don't want to bust me in, bro. Let me do it over. It's up to you. My phone wouldn't screw in my finger. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's 2 more. Because the other one is going to be, I don't want.
Yeah, no, I'm saying, this stack is just the same stack as that one. Yeah. I love that. Harmonies, man. Let's create harmony.
You hear me? You know what I'm saying? Like, it's certain qualifications you got to do. Fuck with me. I don't want to bitch unless she takes some risks. Yeah! You want me to add that separately, bro? Because it seemed like my beginning ad-libs, yo, you keep bitching me out.
Yeah, no. I record the ad-libs separately, so I'll be like, whenever we recording lead vocals, like, I just be focused on the lead vocal. And when we record ad-libs, I'll be focused on the ad-lib. Huh?
I'm thinking you just bitching me, yo.
No. My brain just go with, like, okay, lead vocal, so whatever else ain't lead vocal, just fuck it. I bet. I keep your stuff in the.
Fuck that. You deleted it for a reason. Let's have it.
No, that's cool. I keep it in there. Let's rock.
I don't want a bitch unless she mind her business. Oh my God, that's my fault. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. I don't want a bitch unless she chasing riches. I don't want a bitch unless she taking risks. I don't want a bitch unless she mind her business. I don't want a bitch unless she from the trenches. Man, that shit, bro. Yeah, cause look, I gotta do any Audi ad-libs, right? Because on minor business part is minor business, and then I come in, you feel me? And then on from the kitchen, although it says kitchen in the joint, you feel what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? So we go, yeah, you get it.
Yeah, like I said, I'll just record it and see where it goes. Hold on.
I definitely understand.
But I'm definitely taking care of my business though. And it's
Bro.
Yeah. How you show me the love you show me, I want to tell you. Aside from the hard ass verse,
I will see. I care about who
the
better.
verse gonna be harder than mine. I don't even worry about it. I'm not a competitive.
We'll see. I'm always competitive.
I'm not a competitive.
I'm always competitive. I guarantee you my shit will shit on yours.
You might rewrite your shit though.
I wouldn't. Hey, Tony, I ain't about to rewrite shit. You already know how I get down. I write the best verse from jump. Fuck you talking about?
Let's go. I know bitches that forgot the mission. Like I ain't provide a pot they could piss in. Guess they threw it out the window. Or bitch go back to shopping at Rainbow. Even took you to Versace. It was couture, but go ahead and fix your face. Just to let you know, stay in your place. And baby girl, this is just the first date. Niggas is crabs, well here's a crab cake. I got beef, well here's a raw steak. Let you know we gotta cook something. Moral of the story, you punch me in, I gotta get it right. Yeah, you gonna have to rewrite it. You gonna have to rewrite it.
You gotta start it from the top, yo. Cause you can run that all the way through, yo.
Let's go. We got it though. It's dark here, I can't see though.
I'm going, hey, hold on. I'm going on here.
Yeah.
Cause it's competition here right now, yo. He playing with me.
I know bitches that forgot the mission. Like I ain't provide a pot for them to piss in. I guess they threw it out the window. Well, bitch, go back to shopping at Rainbow. Even took you to the 6. It was couture, but go ahead and fix your face. Just to let you know, stay in your place. And it's only the first date. Niggas is crabs, well here's a crab cake. I got hella beef, well here's a raw steak. I guess we gotta cook something. Moral of the story, you can't look good for nothing.